So first off, we had Friday night service, and it was a sexuality seminar. And even though it's still over, you can still rewatch it if you have registered for it. Another exciting announcement is that Sunday service is now in person at DongShin. So even though space is still limited, you can register through a link that will be open throughout the week. Also, Worship Wednesday was done by Reena last week, so if you want to check it out, you can check it out on our Instagram, our Facebook, or our newsletter. Additionally, Easter baptism is now also available on April 4th during the main KM services. So there will be educational resources, a Q&A, and rehearsals if you want to sign up to be baptized. There is an Easter special gathering for all students, all grades, at 2 p.m. at church on April 4th. Details will be coming soon, but it is a drive-thru and registration is required if you wanted to come. Also, happy birthday to Pastor Michael. His birthday is on March 21st, so make sure to wish him a happy birthday. But yeah, that is it for today's announcements. I hope that you have an amazing Sunday and a great rest of your week. Bye guys!